Hi, my name is Andie Swift, and I recently graduated LearningFuze.
What were your expectations as a recent CS computer science graduate when you first decided to join LearningFuze?
Honestly, I didn't know what to expect because I've never coded like a full day before. Like, I would only take like 1 or 2 computer science classes at a time. So I didn't know what it would look like to be coding for like 10 hours a day. And I also thought that my CS degree would cover more knowledge than it did. Like, by week 3, I was pretty much caught up to where everyone else was, which was kind of a shocker for me.
So what was the day-to-day experience at a coding boot camp like LearningFuze?
So primarily we spent 10 hours a day coding. There was we did have lectures on, like, at the beginning of the first half we would have like an hour and a half lecture, and then we would code for like 2 or 3 hours, and then we'd have a lecture. And then the second half, it was a lot more self-discovery, so we would have reading, and we had to read documentation, and then we would code, and after we would do little coding exercises, and after doing about 4 of those, then we would group as a class and talk it out. And then there was also a lot of team hackathons, and then we had a final project at the end of the year, or the end of the 3 months.
And then do you think you were at an advantage with a CS degree, or do you think someone without a CS degree could still like attend a coding boot camp?
Well, a lot of my class or cohort mates at LearningFuze didn't have a computer science degree, and they were like the best in the class, and so it did help, like like I said, like for the first 3 weeks, and I had like good basics down. But if you're motivated and you want to code, it doesn't really help you. I mean, you do get a nice little discount from LearningFuze, but I think that's the only big advantage, honestly. I would, now on, when I'm talking to anyone who's interested in coding, my first go-to is to say to do a boot camp versus going to a university.